Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel your Surfshark subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you need to visit on the official website surfshark.com. You need to log in into your account. Once you logged in into your account, you will see this kind of dashboard. On this dashboard you need to click on your account section at the top side. When you select this drop down menu, you need to select a subscription, and once you hit subscription it will redirect you on this screen. On this screen you will see there is a option product and payments. You need to select payment option. Okay, once you select payment option it will redirect you on new screen. On this screen you can see your subscription details, which is your active subscription. At the front side of your active subscription you will see there is a option for cancel renewal. Okay, you need to tap on this button cancel renewal, and that's it. By using this way you can cancel your subscription very easily. And make sure when you cancel your subscription, this kind of if you are not able to see any kind of options related to subscription and all, so it means your subscription is activated by using, you can say, like Play Store or App Store. Okay, so you need to cancel your subscription on, you can like Android, you can like Play Store or iPhone Store. So once you can complete your cancellation of automatic payments, the subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Okay, and if we talk about, like, you can also cancel your subscription by contacting their customer support team by using their chat option. They will also cancel your subscription. Now let's talk about how to cancel your subscription if you have taken your subscription by using your Android device. So what you have to do, you need to open your Android Play Store. Then you need to click on payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription, and you need to select your app, Surfshark app. Then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and if you have taken your subscription by using your iPhone, you need to tap on your Apple settings app, and you need to select your Apple ID, then payments and subscriptions. Then you need to select your app like Surfshark app, and then you can follow on screen instruction and you can cancel it. So by using these 3 to 4 ways you can cancel your Surfshark subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.